What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. I am super excited to have you here because this is my first workout video, okay? A lot of you guys have been asking me where I'm gonna put some content up on YouTube of workouts, meal preps, and daily motivation, and I'm just super excited to tell you we are starting right now, okay? We are in beast mode for the rest of our lives. We are creating no more excuses, and we are just getting stuff done. So if you like what you hear, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You turn on that notification bell so you never miss a workout. And if you like my PlayStation shirt, make sure you give me a thumbs up. So if you want to see what we're working on today, make sure you stick to the end and I'll see you right in the workout. Let's get to it. So this workout today, it's all about growing glutes, okay? And to grow the glutes, you gotta add some weight to get some cake, baby, okay? You just got to. You gotta put on that heavy weight. So challenge yourself in this workout today. Get a little heavier on the weights. Be comfortable, all right? But challenge yourself. All right, I did challenge my friend KK to come along with me on this workout. We started this workout by hitting the treadmill for about 10 minutes. We put the treadmill up at a super high incline and did a nice brisk walk, all right, for 10 minutes. We just wanted to wake up those muscles, warm them up, and let them know we're about to get a good sweat in, okay? After that 10 minutes, we went straight into some glute activation. We did a tricep on this glute activation, meaning we did 3 exercises in its entirety, completely, before we got to take a rest, okay? We first started off with hip abductions. We just placed our balance on the wall, just put your hand on the wall, shift your balance onto the weight that's also, the leg that's also on the wall. And then your outer leg, you're gonna move those right out to you. All right. Oh, and again, we slapped on some resistance band around our ankles just to, add that tension to the activation. So don't forget your resistance bands, okay? So again, on that hip abduction, just place your hand on the wall. Your outer leg, you're gonna just bring out to the side and then bring it back in on that hip abduction, okay? So remember, we're doing 3 sets, 10 reps on each leg, okay? Each leg, not together. Each leg gets 10, okay? Moving on in from the hip abduction, we move straight into the glute kickbacks. Remember, we had those resistant bands, so we kept the tension in our glutes the entire time. For your glute kickbacks, you have the choice of to put your hands in front of you, like by your chest, or place them on the wall. Me and Kay decided just to keep them on the wall because it's an easy transition during the tricep. So with the glute kickbacks, just have those resistance bands around your ankles. Whichever leg that you're going to be kicking back, you want to make sure stays straight and go about 6 inches off the ground. Remember, you got that tension in that resistance band. So as far as the resistance band goes, that's as far as you go, all right? Once you hit that maximum on that resistance band, make sure to squeeze that gluteus maximus at the top and then bring it back down. Remember, 3 sets. 10 reps on each leg, all right? Moving forward, we went straight into the hamstring curls, which is one of my favorite glute activations. You're gonna stand just slightly shoulder width apart, keeping those knees slightly together. As you bring one leg up, you're gonna bring it to about a parallel or a 90, really pushing that heel towards the sky and squeezing the glute, okay? So this is both targeting the glutes and the hamstring, which is also an important muscle to kind of give you that look of an overall just thick thighs, save lives, okay? So make sure that you keep your knees slightly together, and throughout all 3 of these activations, keep those core engaged. Keep it slow on your movements and really feel those muscles and squeeze that glute at the top, okay? Once you complete your activation, we're ready to work out. We're ready to get it going. So all you really needed for this workout was dumbbells. Remember, challenge yourself on the weight a little bit, but make sure that it's heavy enough to where you can challenge yourself as well as you're able to get through the workout, okay? I want you to be able to get through the workout by challenging yourself, okay? So if you feel like it's too heavy to get through the entire thing, it's too heavy, go a little lighter. It's all a work in progress, girl. Trust the process and know that you're gonna get there, okay? We started off with a deadlift complex. Now, I'm first gonna say it's going to sound a little confusing and a little crazy as I say it, but trust me, just watch me and you'll be good to go, girl, okay? So you're gonna have your dumbbells in both hands, so 2 dumbbells for 2 of your hands, all right? Place those dumbbells in front of you. The dumbbells are going to trace along your body on this one, okay? So you're first gonna be standing feet hip width apart to start your first deadlift, okay? With the deadlift, you're gonna hinge forward at your hips, really pushing your butt back as far as you can, keeping that back straight and parallel, all right? Your dumbbells are going to trace along your legs as you are hinging forward, okay? As you hinge back up to a standing position, you will then cross your right leg over your left, doing a cross leg deadlift, okay? You will then hinge again at the hips, keeping that back straight and parallel, okay? As you come back up, you are then uncrossing that right leg, coming back to where your feet are in hip width position. You will do another deadlift, tracing those legs with those dumbbells. And then as you come back up to the starting position, you will then cross your left leg behind your right leg, all right, for another cross leg deadlift. Like I said, girl, I know it's confusing, but just watch me and you'll get it, okay? So again, you're doing a regular deadlift. You come back up to standing position. You're gonna cross your right leg behind your left. Do a cross leg deadlift, hinging at the hips, keeping that back straight and parallel. As you come back up to a standing starting position, you're gonna uncross that right leg. Bring your feet back to hip width apart. Do another deadlift, hinging at the hips, pushing that butt back, girl. Make sure you push that butt way back, all right? Come back up to the starting position. Cross that left leg behind the right leg. Do another cross leg deadlift, okay? You're gonna hit that 3 sets, 10 reps on each leg, okay? So for each cross, that's 10. Right leg gets 10. Left leg gets another 10, girl. We're firing it up. We're firing them glutes up. We're adding that weight to build on that cake, honey, okay? So we're here. I'm with you. That burn you feel, I feel it right now as I'm talking about it. So just keep going, keep pushing, okay? Moving on, we are doing another complex, and this is a squat complex. You're gonna have those same dumbbells in your hand, but this time you're gonna place some dumbbells on your shoulders and go into a squat. So you're gonna keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Dumbbells you're holding on top of your shoulders. You're gonna squat, okay? So keeping those knees behind the toes, pushing that butt back, keeping those abs engaged and keeping that back straight. You're going to do a squat, and as you come up from that squat, you're then going to lift your right leg, okay? Just lift it up right above your hip and then place it back down. As you're placing that right leg back down, you're going to hit another squat, all right? Pushing that butt back, keeping those abs engaged. As you come back up and you're squeezing that glute at the top, you're gonna then bring your left leg up, okay? Super easy, all right? So you're gonna hit a squat. As you come up, you're gonna lift that right leg. As you're placing that right leg back down, you're gonna hit another squat. As you bring it up and squeezing at the top from that squat, you're then gonna lift that left leg, okay? Super easy, but it's intense, okay? So make sure you're breathing throughout. Really control your breathing here, control the movement, and always remember that you are in control. Get through the work, get through the exercises, get through the workout, girl, okay? You definitely got this, all right? Moving on to our last exercise, it is a side lunge, okay? For your side lunge, you're gonna keep those same dumbbells in your hands, all right? You're gonna get into a wide sumo stance, as if you're gonna do a sumo lunge, okay? So spread those legs really far as you can, okay? Like you're doing a sumo lunge. So for the shifting side lunge, what you're gonna do is have those dumbbells in your hands facing forward, aka knuckles facing towards the front, all right? And as you basically bend your knee, as you lunge to one side, the lead side, your dumbbells are going to trace along that side, okay? When you come back up, you really want to squeeze at the top, and then you're going to shift all your weight to the other side, tracing those dumbbells again down the leg, okay? So, like I said, through all of these workouts, through all this workout, through all this exercise, through all the glute activation, my main things: keep that back straight. Don't add any rounding. Don't let the weight get into your lower back, because that's what causes the pain and, you know, you thinking that you can't handle the weight. It's just the form. So really pull that posture up, keep those abs engaged, okay? And then that will solve all your problems, all right? So if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you kind of want to know why I don't have hair anymore, leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll make a video on that and kind of tell you my story on that. Also, I will be posting up my favorite glute activation, so make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, we'll see you next time for another hot fire glute added weight, get some cake workout. If you want to see anything else, just let me know. All right, I'll see you soon, right back here. Later, Gators.